Hello everyone! We're back once again at the Spotify Camp Nou, and after recent matchday activity, construction is now picking up speed again. Several key areas are showing visible progress, especially with structural work and early facade preparations. Let's go step by step and see what's happening around the stadium. Work in the tribune area remains moderate. In the upper sections, workers are applying anti-corrosion paint to steel brackets and bolts, while others are cleaning and preparing beams before coating. Small connecting beams are also being installed between pillars. Some joints are already secured, while others are still being aligned. Sandwich panels are complete on one side, with the opposite side still in progress. The tension rod installation has now been completed after earlier alignment issues. Initially, it did not fit properly and had to be adjusted, but it is now correctly aligned and fully secured. This highlights the level of precision required in structural work, where even small errors must be fixed before final installation. The corner sections are showing strong activity. Workers are preparing supports for the installation of lamellas, which will form the outer facade panels. A crane and a delivery truck loaded with lamellas are already in place, suggesting installation will begin very soon. Platforms are also being assembled, with flooring already completed in some areas. Workers are tightening anchors, adjusting brackets, and painting support elements ahead of panel installation. In another corner area, a crane is actively handling lamella elements. It is lifting and positioning facade panels, indicating that installation in this section is either about to start or already in its early phase. Concrete pouring is currently underway in the upper sections near the corner. A concrete pump and mixer are working together, showing ongoing progress on structural slabs and upper ring elements. Clear progress can be seen in the diamond-shaped structure of the future FC Barcelona store. Door frames and upper glass panels have now been fully installed at the front. This area is starting to look more complete, with both the store and nearby cafe becoming some of the most advanced parts of the stadium. The north goal area continues with steady preparation work. Workers are scraping, cleaning, and treating steel beams and brackets across multiple levels. Anti-corrosion paint is being applied to bolts and supports, preparing the area for lamella installation, although some sections are still unfinished. In the upper levels, work remains limited but ongoing. Some prefabricated seating sections are still missing, while minor adjustments are being carried out. Scaffolding is still in place for finishing tasks. Material storage areas remain largely unchanged. Key structural elements such as flanges and pillars are still stored in designated zones, with no major new deliveries observed. The south goal area is currently quiet, with minimal activity. Only a few workers are present, and no platforms are in operation, likely due to recent matchday activity. Overall, construction progress remains uneven, but key areas, especially the corners, are moving forward well. More visible progress is expected very soon, particularly in facade and upper structural work. If you enjoyed the update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates.